Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine? Yes, I hope you all are fine and stay at your home. Okay, don't go outside, inside your home and safe and enjoy your online studies. Okay, so now which period is going on? EVS period is going on. Today we will learn about indoor games. Those games who are playing inside your home. Okay? Those games which playing inside your home. So let's start. Take out your EVS notebook and write with me. Write down the heading indoor games. Write here I N D double O R indoor games. G A M E S full stop. Indoor games. Okay. So today we'll write indoor games. In your previous classes you have learned about indoor games and outdoor games. So now we will write in your EVS notebook. Okay. Your game's name. Write their spellings and all. So let's start. Take out your EVS notebook and write with me. Draw the pictures of the game and write the spelling. Okay. So are you ready? Okay, fast. Write down the heading indoor games and write number 1. Okay, so on number 1, first you make the picture of, make one rectangle or square. Okay, then make lines. First you make the picture and then write the name of the game. What is this? Okay. What is this? This is chess. So write the spelling of chess. What is the spelling of chess? C, capital C. Write down small h, small e, small s and small s. Chess. Okay. So write the spelling of chess. First you make the picture of the chess, then write down the spelling. Okay. And down you write full page of your notebook. Of your EVS notebook you write full page of the spelling chess. So one more time. Write down the spelling of chess. What is the spelling? C H E double S. Okay, chess. One more time. How many times? Till the last line, okay? Till the last line you write the spelling of chess. One more time, write the spelling of chess. C H E double S. Chess. Chess, write down the spelling of chess. C H E double S. Chess. How many times you write? You write full page. You write the spelling of chess, full page. One more time, write down the spelling of chess. One more time, write down the spelling of chess. What is the spelling? C H E double S. Chess. And at last, write down the spelling of chess. C H E double S. Chess. Write down spelling of chess. Okay, so you have done the spelling of chess. Okay, now next is make the picture of, look here, make one square. So this is a carom. Okay, now what is the spelling of carom? Look here. Right here, C A double R O M. Carom. Write down capital C, small a, small r, small o and small m. Okay. First letter is capital, then all are small. So write like this. Look at the board and write carom. What is the spelling of carom? C A double R O M. Carom. Carom is also indoor game. So write down the spelling of carom. Write fast spelling of carom. One more time, write the spelling of carom. C A double R O M. Carom. Write full page of your notebook. Okay, write till the last line. Spelling of carom. And write the spelling of chess also. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. One more time, write the spelling of carom. C-A-R-R-O-M. Carom. First you make the picture of the carom and then write the spelling of the carom. Now on third, make the picture of, first make square shape and then make blocks. Okay, so this is, what is this? This is Ludo game. Okay, now what is the spelling of Ludo? L-U-D-O. Ludo. Ludo is also a indoor game. Okay, you play inside your home Ludo. Yes, so Ludo is the indoor game. Write down the spelling of Ludo. What is the spelling? L-U-D-O. Ludo. One more time, write down the spelling of Ludo. L-U-D-O. Ludo. This is a Ludo game. And write the spelling of Ludo. L-U-D-O. Ludo. One more time. Capital L, small u, small d and small o. Ludo. Okay. So this is a Ludo game. And at last, write down the spelling Ludo. L-U-D-O. You know how to write letters? Yes. So write in right formation. Okay. Right line formation. Like C capital. So C write in first three line. H write in first three line. E in two line. S in two line and S in two line. This is a chase. Then carom, capital C, first three line. Then A between the two line. R between the two line. O also between the two line. And M is also in two line. Okay, carom. Then Ludo. First you write L, capital L, first three line. Okay, in your notebook write first three line L. Then in U between the two lines. D first three line and O between the two lines. So write down Ludo like this. Write fast all the three games in your EVS notebook. After that, we will revise all the three games. So, write fast. Write fast all the three games in your notebook and write full lines. Chess, carom and Ludo. Okay, so you have done all the spellings, all the three spellings. Yes, now we will revise all the spellings. Okay. How to revise? First, fold your hands, okay, and your notebook on your table and finger out the spellings. Okay. So let's start. On number 1, what is this? This is chess. Okay, this is the indoor games. This is chess. You play indoor inside your home. Chess. Yes. So chess is a indoor game. Now what is the spelling of chess? Let's start. CHESS. Chess. Okay, repeat after me. Spelling of chess. 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 Okay. CHESS. 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 Okay. So after this, carom. Now what is the spelling of carom? First, what is this? This is a carom game. Okay. So what is the spelling of carom? Let's start. CARROM. Carom. CARROM. Carom. Finger out on letters. Okay. CARROM. Carom. One more time. CARROM. Carom. So this is a carom game. Now move to the next. Ludo. What is this? This is a Ludo game. Now what is the spelling of Ludo? Let's start. LUDO. Ludo. Okay. LUDO. 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 And last, LUDO. Ludo. This is a Ludo game. This is also indoor games. And all these are indoor games. Chess, carom and Ludo. So please write on your notebook, do your classwork and your homework also. You learn all the 3 spellings of indoor games. Okay. In your next video, we will write next 3. Okay. Next 3 indoor games. Now you write only 3. In your next video, we will write next 3. Okay. So be prepared for 3. Then we'll write next 3. Till then you learn the spelling of the games. Okay. Write fast all the 3s, and in homework, this is your classwork. So write now, and in homework you learn the spelling. Okay, learn indoor games. Learn all 3 indoor games. In your homework and your classwork, you write the spelling full page. Full line chess, full line carom and full line ludo. Okay, always we write like this. So this thing also write like this. Okay, write full page. Okay, so now your lecture is over. Now we will meet in your next period, next lecture. So now bye and have a nice day. Okay, do your classwork, do your homework. Bye bye.